Alright, and we are back again. Well, for today's video, no? Nataka i-share na pod, no? Which is, this video is the, kumbaga, part 2. Kitong i-remove ang atong ads, no? But for this video, a solution para no? Atong i-share ang application nga magpa-prevent para no? And this application, it is free. So, para ma-prevent ang mga pagbutang sa mga ads sa inyong phone, mga pop-up ads mo, hassle kayo, and even it is Windows or Mac, okay? So, atong i-download ang AdGuard. You can just open sa website nila, adguard.com, or you can just download on the Play Store, AdGuard. So, kung wala yung AdGuard, you can just download directly sa website nila, adguard.com, no? Okay, this is the adguard.com, no? Adguard.com. So, click lang to ang download. Na-download ra sa ubos na. Download. E mo gawas dira nga for Windows, Mac OS, no? So, free na siya. Ang kanindatan niya is ma-block gid ang ads. Maka-prevent na siya. Okay? You can just download. This is free. Okay, free. Ang basic functionality niya, it is free. So, you can just download here for Mac OS, Windows, Android, iOS, or even the browser extension, no? Yan na lang kasimple. Just install this app and handle na niya ang mga pop-up ng mga ads. Yan i-block. Alright, and this is free. Alright, so mo lang. Simple, just download the AdGuard and wala. That's simple. Solve na ang problema na para maka-prevent mo. As I said, it is free and optional ra ang pag-upgrade sa premium features. Alright? And I hope that you learn for the simple video. Peace out. Whew.